Are you trying to figure out whether Writesonic or our Rytr is the better AI software for generating blog posts? In this video, we'll dive into both options, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you make a choice. But keep watching, because after testing both, I've found something you might like even more. Let's start with Writesonic. This AI writing tool has really gained popularity, especially for blog posts. It boasts a wide range of templates, including specific ones for long-form content. You can feed it a simple idea or a keyword, and it generates detailed blog posts with minimal effort. The good news is it has a pretty intuitive interface, making it beginner-friendly. However, that ease of use comes with some trade-offs. Next, one downside with Writesonic is that it sometimes produces content that feels a bit too generic or repetitive. While it's good at getting the wheels turning, you'll often find yourself needing to heavily edit the output. This can be time-consuming, which might not be ideal for someone who needs quick results with minimal tweaking. Moving on to our Rytr, this AI writing assistant promises a fast and efficient writing process. Like Writesonic, it also offers a variety of templates to choose from, including blog post generation. It's known for its sleek user interface and speed. Many users appreciate how quickly our Rytr can generate content, but is it always quality content? Not necessarily. You might get a first draft faster than Writesonic, but again, you'll likely need to clean up a lot of the text. The next thing worth noting about our Rytr is its pricing. Compared to Writesonic, our Rytr is generally more affordable, which can be an attractive option for people just starting with AI writing tools. However, when it comes to the depth and quality of the content, it can feel a bit shallow. Our Rytr is good for short, quick blog posts, but you may struggle when you want in-depth, nuanced articles. The fourth thing to consider is the level of customization. Writesonic gives you more control over the tone and structure of the content, allowing you to fine-tune the output a bit more. Our Rytr, on the other hand, can feel more restrictive in that sense, though it's improving with time. If you're someone who needs specific formatting or a unique voice in your posts, Writesonic might suit you better. Now, after testing both of these tools extensively, here's the big takeaway. They're both solid options, but if you're serious about generating high-quality blog posts with minimal editing, you might want to look at something else. Both Writesonic and our Rytr are decent tools for creating quick drafts, but if you want content that's consistently good and doesn't require as much post-generation cleanup, there's a better alternative out there. And that's where the tool I'm recommending comes in. After trying both of these platforms, I found that there's another AI software that gives you more control, better output quality, and less time spent editing. If you're serious about producing blog posts that will truly engage your audience, I highly recommend you check out the free trial of the tool linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to viewers like you. So, if you want a better alternative for blog post generation, take advantage of that free trial. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.